Hello dear students, this is Sheikh Zamir and today we will see how we can find out roots of quadratic equation by using a shortcut method. So let us proceed for the examples. So these are the 4 examples that we are going to solve today by using a shortcut method. So the first example is 3x square minus 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. So we have to find out the roots of this equation. So let us proceed for the solution. So first of all, what we have to do is that we have to mark the coefficient of x square. So here the coefficient of x square is 3. Then in the next step we have to find out its factors. So the factors of 3 are 3 ones are 3. So that we have to write down here like this. So 3 ones are 3. The smallest one should be written on the topmost side and the highest one should be written in the bottommost side. In the next step, we have to take the constant term of the given equation. So take the constant term of the given equation. Here the constant term is 15. Find out its factors. So the factors of 15 are 3 5s are 15. So again, the smallest one should be written on the topmost side and the highest one should be written on the bottommost side. Okay. So in the next step, we have to take x here and here also. So take x along with these two numbers, whatever numbers we have got here, take x along both these numbers and then cross multiply it. So see here, this 1x into 5. So first multiply these two, 1x into 5. So whatever its multiplication is there, that should be written here. 5x. So 1x into 5 is 5x. Similarly, 3x into 3. So multiply these two numbers and whatever its multiplication, it should be written here. Okay. So 3x into 3 is 9x. Now we will see what combination we should apply here for these two terms so that its addition or subtractions will become minus 4x. So here we will see that if I take minus sign here and here plus sign, so minus 9x plus 5x, this becomes minus 4x. Okay, so minus 9x plus 5x, it becomes minus 4x. So this is the combination of signs that we should apply. Minus 9x plus 5x will become minus 4x. So see here its sign is minus, so that minus should be written here also. Here also the sign of this term is plus, so that plus sign should be written here, so that these two will be the factors of this equation. So 1x minus 3, this is the first one, 1x minus 3, and the second one is 3x plus 5, that will be equal to 0. So 1x means only x, so x minus 3, 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So if we solve this equation, we get x is equal to, so this after changing side, so this becomes plus 3, and from this term, after equating both this term to 0, we will get the values of x. So from this term we will get x equal to 3, and from this term we will get x equal to minus 5 by 3. So the roots of x are 3 comma minus 5 by 3. Okay, so in this way we can find out its roots by using a shortcut method. Similarly, we can apply the same method for example 2 also. See here, the coefficient of x square is 1. Find out the factors of 1. So the factors of 1 are 1 ones are 1. Then take the constant term, that is 6 here. Again, the find out its factors. So the factors of 6 are 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then take x here and here also. Then multiply it. So cross multiply it. So 1x into 3 is 3x. Okay, I am writing here 3x, and then this 1x into this 2 is 2x. Now we will check for the combination. So what combination we should apply here so that its answer should be minus 5x. So here also we have to give minus sign, here also we have to give minus sign, then only minus 2x minus 3x will become minus 5x. So the sign of this term is minus, so same sign should be given here. Here also the sign of this term is minus, the same sign should be given here also. So the factors of these equations are 1x minus 2 and 1x minus 3. That is equal to x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So if we solve this by equating to 0, we will get x equal to 2, 3. Take the third example. Here also the quotient of x square is 12. Find out its factors. So 3 4s are 12. Then take the constant term 35. Find out its factor. So 5 7s are 35. Again we will apply the same method. The smallest one should be written on the topmost side and the highest one should be written on the bottommost side. So same we have applied here also. Then take x along with this and along with this also. Cross multiply it. So its cross multiplication is 21x. 3x into 7 is 21x. 4x into 5 is 20x. So now we will see the combination. So that combination of these two numbers will become minus x. So if I take minus sign here and plus sign here, so plus 20x minus 21x will become minus x. So if we add both this term by taking this sign, we will get minus x. So plus 20x minus 21x will become minus x. So that this same sign should be given here. Same sign should be given here also. So 3x plus 5 and 4x minus 7 are the factors of this equation. So 3x plus 5 into 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. So after solving this equation, we will get the values of x. Similarly, for the last example, for this one also, take the quotient of x square, that is 6. Find out its factors. 2 3s are 6. Here also 35. So find out its factors. 5 7s are 35. Take x along with these two numbers. Then cross multiply it. So 2x into this 7 is 14x. And this 3x into this 5, it becomes 15x. Okay, so this becomes 14x and this becomes 15x. So here what we will see is that if we apply the combination, that if we add both this term, we will not get minus 11x. If we take minus sign of this term or plus sign of this term, again we will not get minus 11x. So all combination if you should apply here by taking plus minus, minus plus, minus minus, we will not get minus 11x. So that if this type of situation arises, what we will do, we will switch over these two numbers. We will just switch over these two numbers if this kind of situation arises. So what I am doing, I am just switching these two numbers like this. So now I am writing the highest one on the topmost side and the smallest one on the bottommost side. So what we will do now, we will again multiply 2x into this 5 is 10x and this 3x into this 7 is 21x. So now we will apply the combination. Now we will check for the combination. So if I take minus sign along with this minus 21x according to this minus 11x, so we will apply combination according to this middle term. So if I take minus sign along with this 21x and plus sign along with this 10x, so minus 21x plus 10x will become minus 11x. So this same sign should be given here. Here also the same sign should be given here. So 2x minus 7 into 3x plus 5. So these are the factors of this given equation. Okay, so these are the factors of this equation. If we solve this, we will get the values of x. So in this way, we can find out factors of quadratic equation. But let me tell you that this method will be applicable for only those equations which factors could be possible into linear form. This is only possible for that kind of equations only. This is all about this type of examples. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.